Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Fold 8 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, you need to make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then we can open the settings. So here in this left section, we need to scroll and find the option Software Update and tap on it. Now let's tap on Check for Updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. So the first one is where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. As you can see, you will receive relevant information, and all you need to do now is to just turn it off and you're good to go. You can do whatever you want to. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on Download or Install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.